In this video we will show you how to make the best use of the command palette in Lycia VS Code extension. Usually, you would use the context menu of the project program or file to access a big variety of options. For example, to create a program, you would right-click the project name in FGL Project Explorer, select the Create New option, and then pick Create New for GL Program. In a dialog for program naming that would open, you'd have to provide a name and press Enter to confirm. We have also included a more quick and convenient way to do it all, by using your keyboard only. Press Ctrl-Shift-P to invoke the command palette display. Once activated, the command palette will offer a list of commands that Lycia VS Code extension can execute. Start typing in any part of required command's name to filter the list, and select that command when it will appear. In this example, we pick the Create New for GL Program option. Then, we name the new program, and press Enter. The program has been created in current project. This way, it is possible to invoke many more actions in Lycia VS Code extension. There are only 4 commands that cannot be invoked with the command palette. Those are, the Manage Build Configuration Exclusions command that has a button on the program name, the Rename command that gets invoked from the program, project or file context menus, the Compile and Recompile commands, which you can activate from the File context menu. That's our today's video about user-friendly features Lycia VS Code extension has. Lycia redesigns and simplifies for GL development, bringing it into modern world with no extensive code rewriting. Visit Querix.com for more details, or click the link in video description to contact us at once.